nasty.
You got the light, but the light.
I know this is good. Like,
okay, wait.
Is it?
You like shading? Oh, okay, wait.
Is it?
Okay, there we go.
Hey everybody, welcome back to my vlog. This is Alexis. Yeah. I think this is what, day 2 for me or one?
Day 2. It's like day 1.5.
Day 1.5. We're finally gonna be doing a lot of stuff today. We're just getting ready and we about to go to the sugar factory. So I'll show you guys when we get there.
I've been counting so much money, finger getting paper cuts. We hit Vegas, girl collection. You should step your bitches up. Is you with them? Is you with us?
Y'all, we are at the sugar factory. So we're about to order.
So we're getting the Drake and the raspberry watermelon.
Okay. And if we need another one, right? Right. I'm for real.
Oh wait, I should be looking at this video.
Sure, after that drink, I don't know if I'll be able to eat anything for real.
Shit, I gotta eat.
This is a favorite song. Diamonds they dancing on. This is a favorite song. She tryna get out of thong. She tryna come to my home. She never leave me alone. She always blow up my phone. She know a nigga is on. Watch. She know we flex. Boom. Why she watching us? Me and CJ in the club, they flocking on us. She keep looking at this AP, that bitch froze on me. For the money, baby, you got all exotic.
First, okay?
Okay.
Tell me when you're ready.
We're ready. Are we ready?
I can get you some soda water. Might get it off.
We're ready.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Oh.
Got that? Liquid nitrogen.
Okay, drinking.
Dry ice, yeah. Ready for the mango one?
Yes.
Alright, 1, 2,
Let's do it. Oh. It is pretty.
Go.
And we are at the sugar factory.
Gummy real quick. Okay, yes.
Gummy.
Yes. Yes. I like gummies. You see it? I'm excited. And there's straws right there on that tongue. Okay, ready for your my top?
Yes, ma'am.
Grenadine.
Oh, and you got a shot.
I mean, let me get an extra shot. Can I have one now? Like,
Y'all, we are about to be so lit. Like, all of these drinks are good as spin up.
took all of theirs.
That's your Mai Tai.
We had all of theirs. Like,
But I think I'm going to just sip on this. I'm a little bit gotta get some food to manage this alcohol because I'm tipsy as spin up. I'm so for real. Y'all, look at the aftermath. We can hold on, it's a little bit left. Hold on.
so best your mouth, you gotta come past. I'm sorry, you gotta
We
come
fucked
past
this up.
further.
We messed this up. The sugar factory. We were gonna order the drink,
Okay, so
but they
keep
were out of
coming
cotton
straight.
candy, so we got something else.
What is?
All right, y'all. I'm kind of drunk.
Kind of drunk. Don't vlog and drink. Don't drink.
The whole gang is here.
just don't do it. Please don't.
We're gonna go shopping forever. She's about to get a donut.
Do you want to?
But we're about to go shop. She got my number. So, shit, I can't. I'm gonna just try to vlog a little bit later because I can't do this right now. Okay? Okay. All right, y'all. So I'm recovered. I'm not as drunk as I was. We are in Diamond's Nails place. I am getting a pedicure. I will show you what they look like before, but it's a hell no because they smack. But I'll show y'all once they get a little cleaned up.
This is a favorite song. Shows I'm spitting. Hitting my niggas got it up so you can ice on my neck. We might just sell out the dome. I think my chain need a comb. Shows I'm spitting. Me and my nigga just got us a check and then hop off a jet. Boom. Watch you.
Y'all, we can get drinks the drink comes with the service, so you don't have to pay it. I'm gonna get that right there. I've never heard of that, y'all. This snail place is legit. I'm gonna make this up. Yes, y'all, look at this. I just feel like a different person. Like, who am I?
While she watching on us, me and CJ in the club, they flocking on us. She keep looking at this AP, that bitch flossing on us. For that money, baby, you got all exotic for me. I know that she keep on the baby stocking on us. Diamonds are dancing now, she know we handsome now. Hitting the club.
Alright, y'all, we're at the restaurant. We're about to order. We were super late thanks to me. I left my shoes at the house, but whatever. So we're about to order, and I'm gonna show you my food when it gets here.
Lobster spring 19-year-old pizza deliverer shot Bon Hill. This is so sad. Somebody shot him.
Dipping sauces. You have coconut cream in the middle, citrus chili on the left, and soy glaze over you.
How the men are living. Like, see how they living.
Everybody ready this before?
Nope, our first time.
This is a newer hotel, so I like that. I was here
Got
about
my
4
toes
months ago.
done all white because I'm feeling dry.
I like it.
Welcome.
Guys, bathroom. Hi. Ooh, this is nice.
I'm about to get a picture of that.
Shoot. Let me step on down here really quick. Yes, man. Yes, this is nice. OMG. 44th floor.
Yes, this is the 44th floor. Let's see the rest of this.
We should have. Oh, yeah, we on the bottom floor, y'all. Hey.
You guys are.
This room is everything.
This is my sister. This is my sister.
I'm a nobody.
That's my aunt. That's my friend. She's also like, she's like, now you don't put on that ratchet stuff.
You don't want them to see your true colors.
There's mango pineapple.
Turn on the ratchet of the ratchet.
Oh, yeah.
I know you're going to put on the ratchet music.
She made a deal already.
A deal?
We made a deal. So I told him, as long as they have no strippers, we won't have no cock swingers.
No deal. No deal.
I said the strippers can't come up here.
Mango pineapple.
Oh,
And I got you up there in that camera.
Oh no, it's my sister speaking.
No one's got it.
Wait, I want pineapple.
Come on, let's do cheers again.
This one, no.
just mix it in there, mix it.
Just drink it.
Cheers to a wonderful life. You know, living your best life.
Okay, best life, forever life.
All
right, when y'all ready, let me know.
This is great.
I want this.
When y'all ready, let me know.
Okay,
Look, he's solving the problem for you guys. Okay, let's go. All right, y'all. Tori and Melvin. Oh shit, that's nasty. Good morning, you guys. It's the last day in Vegas, so I'm getting ready, you know, doing my makeup and shit, you know. About to get dressed. I'm gonna hit the strip, and then we have a flight to catch late tonight. It's an overnight flight, so I'm just starting this vlog for today. I think I'm just gonna make this one big ass video because I never properly ended the vlog from yesterday. Yeah, but yes, I'm gonna be vlogging the strip and the good old adventures happening there. I'm so dehydrated. I'm so dehydrated in this hot ass desert. But what was I finna say? Shoot. Oh, I'm finna finish my makeup, get dressed, and then I will see y'all on the strip. Okay. All right, we in our list, on our way to go get something to eat. I'm starving. All right, y'all, we're at the plaza dropping our bags off.
What's the last name I can start using?
Armatunga. Oh, is it Ellen? Oh, well, never mind. Let me be quiet.
Watching on us. Me and CJ in the club, they flocking on us. She keep looking at this AP, that bitch flossing on me. For that money, baby, you got all exotic for me. I know that she keep on it, baby, stocking on us. Diamonds are dancing now. She know we handsome now. Hitting the club and gone. This is a favorite song.
Yo, this Asian lady just walked up to us, putting on beads on our wrist, giving us peace, talking about here, lifetime of peace. Then she gonna be like, donation. Hurry up and buy. So we had to give her back her beads. We had to give her back her beads.
That's not grass. They only got turf.
Yeah. Finally at the Aria, about to go eat. Freaking stars.
Flossing on me. For that money, baby, you got all exotic for me. I know that she keep on it, baby, stocking on us. Diamonds are dancing now. She know we handsome now. Hitting the club and gone. This is a favorite song. Diamonds they dancing on. This is a favorite song. She tryna get out of thong. She tryna come to my home.
Yo, we're at the airport. Waiting for our flight to board back home. I can't wait to get home. You guys, we are headed home. We got company.
Oh, yeah.
Got a couple of this from all that alcohol. Alright, so hopefully I don't have any, you know, conniptions on this flight. But I shall see you guys when I get home. I'm not gonna end the vlog right now. I'll end it tomorrow.
I see watching on us. Me and CJ in the club, they flocking on us. She keep looking at this AP, that bitch flossing on me. For that money, baby, you got all exotic for me. I know that she keep on it, baby, stocking on her.
Good morning, y'all. Well, afternoon, Cincinnati time. I'm back home. We made it home safely, thankfully to God. Okay. You miss me. You miss me. Hey. Okay. Girl. Shoot. Anywho. That plane ride back. So we was like going through a really tough ratchet turbulence. And the plane just was like shaking like, which is normal or whatever. And it started shaking a lot. And then we were like, whoa, this is kind of shaking a lot. Then it dropped like, and then switched on its side. Hell no. Y'all, no. I was supposed to go to sleep on that flight so I could get up and go to work today. I didn't sleep at all. I was so freaking paranoid. Like, I was just crying. I don't know if y'all could tell that I've been crying in my eyes. And I was just crying and praying the whole time. It finally landed. I was like, get me off of this plane. Like, no. But apparently, like, red eyes are the worst to travel, I guess. Because the air is so cold. And you're leaving different atmospheres in the middle of the night. And it gives you the worst turbulence. So the plane has to elevate even higher in the air to avoid the rough turbulence, but we still had turbulence. It was turbulence the whole way. Like, I'm like, flying on my way there, it wasn't bad, but shoot, I'm like, I'm not flying at night no more. No, I'm cool. I am not flying at night. But the plane was really nice. Delta, that's who we flew. That's who we flew. They gave us free snacks, free Wi-Fi, and movies and stuff. So they were straight. I would fly Delta again, just not at night. I ain't flying nothing at night. What you chewing on that you ain't supposed to be chewing on? Anyways, y'all, about to go ahead and end this vlog. I'm back from Vegas, safe and sound. Thank God. Like, oh my God, it was questionable. I was about to take my phone off airplane mode. Call my boyfriend, like, you're free. You're free. Then I was gonna call my mama. But thank God I didn't have to do none of that. I'm here. I can see them in the flesh. Alright, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like, and comment. And I'll see y'all in my next video.